The first few days of the Property Portal Watch conference have been incredibly exciting. And you have to say that the learnings around the conference really boil down to three key areas: data, bots, and technology-driven advances. Data, we've heard from many of the presenters about how important data is. The collection of data, the analysis of data, and at the end of the day, the overall use of that data to provide better services to both the advertiser and to the consumer who visits the site. The second around bots, the emergence of chatbots, the emergence of an automated process that allows the consumer to better engage with portals and general classified sites so that we can lead to greater lead generation and higher quality lead generation. And the third is how technology is fundamentally impacting what is happening in the market. Everything from virtual reality and augmented reality through to better database management, as we've talked about already, the chatbots, which is still part of technology, and so on. At the end of the day, there are a lot of advances occurring in the industry, and this conference brings those advances to light and allows us to all, 300 plus people who have attended the conference, to really share their knowledge and experiences on what's been happening. In terms of what surprised most of the conference has been the consistency of message. That doesn't matter if you're in an emerging market, an early stage market, or even having Nigel, the CIO of the REA Group, talking from a very mature market. What you find out is that all of them have similar problems and similar opportunities, and that data, no matter where you are in the world, is going to be probably the key theme for the next 2 to 5 years, and probably into the distant future. The Pitch Club was a fantastic experience for us. We thought we'd try something different. We thought we'd give an opportunity for 6 relatively young companies to pitch their businesses, 5 minutes each, to both a panel of judges as well as the audience, and to allow them to then basically get people interested in potentially investing in them. What was great was that each one of them did a great job. We saw very brief presentations on these companies. We got to understand what they were doing, the challenges and the opportunities in the markets that they operate. And I think out of this, a couple of them will get some funding. So I think overall, it was a great success. The Global Online Classifieds Conference that we plan to hold in Miami is a chance for people to come and find out from cars, jobs, homes, pets, fashion. We're looking at all the classified sectors, and we want people to come, share their knowledge, share their experience, and learn from what people are doing in other industries. Too often we just focus on one industry. For example, at Property Portal Watch, it's all about the online real estate industry. But we can learn so much from what's happening in cars and jobs, about cost per lead, cost per acquisition, commission share, different ways of engaging with the consumer, and different ways of monetizing the business. So the bottom line is the Global Online Classifieds Conference, being held in June 2017, will bring together 500 plus C-level managers from around the world to learn and share their experiences.